Welcome this video. Gardening structure idea. Transforming your outdoor space. Gardening structure are more than just functional elements than the architects back deep outdoor space from pen solution like Pergola and shade to decoration like trend, those structure and beauty, chaptering and promax to your gardening, whether your design traditional or a like enhancement area, the right gardening structure can elevate your outdoor space in both style and unit. We explored experience idea for gardening structure of all time perfect for enthusiast landscape gardening or everyone look to make the most of their gardening. Pergola, enhance and shade. A pergola is a classic gardening structure that provides shade and a framework for convenient plants like root. It can be freestanding attached to your home. Create a seamless indoor and outdoor traditional idea. Rustic retreat. Build a time frame. Pergola use climax wood for a choosy rustic look. Maximizes choose material. Plants for a sleep design with hand bolt like gardening coping traditional various like over the bean for a leaf through post your pergola over a patio hot tub or dining site to create a defined outdoor route. Classic outdoor lawn. A gazebo is the first and often structure with a soft roof and open side. It provides shade for sun and rain. Make its idea for relax, read, or enhancement. Guest add original wood or light time vibrant feel. Other for a smart wood design with a attached roof to both with gardening focal point. Place the gazebo in the centering of your gardening to pen attach as a structure. Gardening shed functional match design. A gardening shed it's just for story. If can also be charm design elegant in the backyard with the right shed. Plants and landscape. It can become an focal point or even maximize retreat. Idea post paradise outfit your shed with a work branch and hand tool for a style pens stone book style font is the wash color and window box is charm its wood for the vibrant gardening house beauty. A greenhouse allow you to grow plants year round, useful in color climates, but beyond its unity, a well-designed greenhouse can also serve as a functional gardening feature. Idea Max gardening house built a yard land of structure again a well of